Performance marketing is slowly going out of hand. Don't worry, I'm not here to sell you anything or fear mongering. In fact, this is something positive. Performance marketing is evolving into a UI UX plus tracking setup plus creative designing role. Okay. The old days of pushing levers from the campaign dashboards are slowly disappearing. And that's all I mean when performance marketing is going out of hand. When you hire performance marketers now, make sure that they are not restricted to the dashboard. The landing page UI UX, the tracking setup, the signals that you're feeding, and most importantly, the creative design, because the creatives are the signals. Okay. And all this is happening thanks to AI and thanks to AI Max and PMax and LLMs, where the major leverage is whether your landing pages fulfill the promise that your creatives are making. The targeting is slowly becoming irrelevant. Okay. Hi, my name is Tapajyoti. I run a performance marketing company called Kapability Digital for more than 3 years now, and I am 19 years into this domain. And as we all know, history doesn't repeat itself, it rhymes. These changes came previously also, and like removal of broad-batch modifiers, okay, uh, extent of keywords having intent and meaning, okay. All these were previous rhyming versions of what is happening now. And now your creatives and your landing pages have the most say. Okay. So yeah, this was a message to the performance marketers and the companies who are hiring performance marketing freelancers. The levers for performance marketing is slowly going away from the dashboard into the entire ecosystem, as to speak. Thank you. Have a great day.